A pleasant day. We are the group 6 and the topic that we discuss or report for today is all about simplifying radicals by rationalizing the denominator. In simplifying radicals, means a fraction that contains a radical in its denominator can be written as an equivalent fraction with a rational denominator or a denominator without a radical. Lagi po nating tatandaan, in simplifying radicals, never leave a radical in the denominator of a fraction. Always rationalize the denominator. In situation number 1, monomial denominator po ang unang example po natin. Dito naman po, pag monomial denominator po ang gagawin natin o gagamitin natin, when the denominator is monomial or one term, multiply both the numerator and the denominator by whatever makes the denominator an expression that can be simplified so that it no longer contains a radical. Sometimes, the value being multiplied happens to exactly the same as the denominator. Kagaya po dito, example natin sa number 1. Ang given po is 2 over square root of 7. So, dito po, in multiply, ang kailangan po nating isipin, in multiplying the numerator and the denominator, kailangan po mag-isip tayo ng smallest perfect square. So, ang smallest perfect square is, ito po, 7. So, magiging square root of 7 over square root of 7. 2 over square root of 7 times square root of 7 over square root of 7. So, lagi po natin din iisipin na in simplifying radicals by rationalizing the denominator, dito po tayo nakatutok sa denominator. Kasi po yung numerator, hindi po yan nagbabago, hindi po yan nasusolve. So, magiging ito na po siya. Replacing the 49 by 7, rationalize the denominator. So, cancel po tayo. So, kakancel po natin yan. Kakancel din po natin yan. So, matitira na po yan. So, 7 times 7 is 49. So, ito na po siya. Is equal to 2 square root of 7 over square root of 49. So, is equal to 2 square root of 7 over, square root po ng 49 is 7. So, ito na po yung final answer. Ito po yung final answer. Pag ano naman po tayo, punta naman po tayo sa second example. Where there is more than one term in denominator, the process is a little tricky. Syempre, mahirap. You will need to multiply the numerator and denominator by the denominator's conjugate. The conjugate is the same expression as the denominator, but with the opposite sign in the middle separating the terms. So, ito po yung example number 2 na po natin. Hindi na po siya monomial. Example po, ito po yung given. 2 is 2 over 5 plus square root of 3. So, dito po, ang alam ko po dito, ang gagawin po natin is kukunin natin yung reciprocal nung given example. So, ito na po siya. Ang reciprocal po ng 5, ang reciprocal po nitong given number is ito po, 5 minus square root of 3 over 5 minus square root of 3. Ita-times po natin siya dito po sa given. Tapos, ang gagamitin po natin is yung, dito po pala sa in multiplying numerator and denominator by the conjugate of the denominators, 5 minus square root of 3, notice that you are multiplying by 1, which does not change the original expression. So, when multiplying denominators in this problem, distribute or use FOIL method. So, di-distribute po natin siya or depende kung ano po yung gusto nyo, distribute or use FOIL method. So, ito po, di-distribute po natin yung 5 doon po. Then, distribute din po yan. Distribute lang po siya. So magiging answer na po is ito po. 5 minus square root of 3 times 2 over 25 minus 5 square root of 3 plus 5 square root of 3 negative 9. So, ito po, 25 yun po, yung sagot. 5 times 5, 25. Then 3 times 3, 9. Kung napapansin nyo po, notice what is happening to the middle terms when you multiply the denominators. So, the middle terms, the drop out lang po natin siya. Also, the last term. So, yung last term po, naging perfect square na po siya. Then, ito na po siya ang magiging sagot po niyan, ito na po. So, kakopy lang natin yung numerator. Tsaka, ito po, copy lang din po natin. Tapos, yung square root of, mawawala na po yung dito sa gitna. So, yung square root of 9 is 3. So, ito na po yung magiging sagot. 25 minus 3. Then, ito na po, if possible, always reduce your final answer. Kailangan po i-reduce yung final answer kung meron pa pong kailangan i-reduce. So, dito na po siya. So, ang magiging sagot, 5 minus square root of 3 times 2 over 22. So, kailangan pa naman din po natin i-reduce yung 22. So, ang magiging sagot na po is ito na po. 5 minus square root of 3 over 11. So, ito na po yung final answer. Did you notice that in this problem, we never distribute the 2 in the numerator? It is often best to work with the denominator first to see what else need to be done. So, yun lang po. Thank you po. Sana po marami po kayong natutunan.
25 over 3 equals square root of 25 over square root of 3. Tapos, equals, kukunin yung square root ng 25, magiging 5 over, ito compare mo na siya kasi wala siyang square root, kaya square root of 3 times, ito mo siya sa sarili niya, sa numerator, tsaka sa denominator. Tapos ito yung magiging sagot. 5 times square root of 3 equals 5 square root of 3. Tapos ito, square root of 3 times square root of 3 equals square root of 9. Hindi pa siya yung pinakasagot. Kasi ito may square root pa siya, kaya ito. Ito na magiging final answer. 5 square root of 3 equals 3. Ayun.
6 square root of 36. Tapos, factor of 36 is 4, then 9. Then, square equals, then, tapos, ganyan. Tapos, 4 times 9 equals 36, diba? Then, ipa-factor mo to by, factor nito is 2, factor nito is 3. Tapos, equals
2
2
times.
times 3, 6. This is the answer.
Lilawan mo yung 6, lilawan mo.
Meron pa yan yung square root 6. Ay, wala na pala.
Wala naman kami.
Ay, number. Example na ba?
Kaya sabihin mga
Oo,
pangalan.
sample na yan.
Hindi sabihin mo.
Square root of
Kasi absent
9
ka
over
doon.
2.
Sa amin kanina kasi apat lang.
Square root ng 9 is 3. Yung 2 wala, pero square root of 2 na siya. Times, ito yung times by itself. Denominator and numerator. 3 times square root of 2 equals 3 square root of 2 times, square root of 2 times square root of 2 equals 4.
Tapos sila pa namin yung video
Square root
na.
of 4. Hindi pa yan yung final answer kasi may square root pa to. Ngayon, kakapin lang to. 3 square root of 2 times square root ng 4 is 2. Ito na yung final.
Go.
CEO is square root of 2. Tapos, i-multiply sa square root of 2
Multiplication of radicals. So,
equals,
may
tapos
value
6
ang
times
niya
2
ay
equals 6.
square root of A
The square root of
square root of
4.
A
Kasi ito na yung
times
final
square root of
answer.
B equals to square root of